Welcome back to American Dollar Cents, the place where smart people learn how to make, manage, and multiply their money. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because today we're talking about something most people don't like to admit: why you're still broke, even when you're working hard. Let's get real about the money mistakes that keep you stuck and how you can finally break free. Number 1. Overspending. The first reason you're still broke: overspending. Every sale, every discount, every limited time offer is designed to take your cash. You buy things to feel good, not because you need them. The trick is simple. Pause before you purchase. Ask, do I really need this, or is it just a dopamine hit? Number 2. No budget. Next, you don't have a budget. Most people track everything except their money. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings or investing. A budget isn't restriction, it's control. Number 3. Living on credit. Third, you're living on credit. Swiping that card feels easy until the bill arrives. Debt might buy you comfort today, but it steals your tomorrow. Stop financing lifestyle and start financing freedom. Number 4. No investment. Fourth, you're not investing. Saving money in the bank is safe, but it won't make you rich. Inflation quietly eats your cash every year. Let your money work through index funds, ETFs, or even a simple side hustle that compounds. Number 5. No financial goals. Without a destination, you'll wander financially forever. The clearer your target, the faster your aim. Number 6. Peer pressure spending. 6. You're trying to impress people who don't pay your bills. New phone, expensive shoes, fancy dinners, none of it matters if you're stressed about rent. The rich don't show off, they stay low and stack up. And finally, the biggest reason: lack of financial education. School teaches you math, but not money. Learn every day. YouTube, podcasts, books, mentors. Knowledge is the cheapest investment with the highest return. So now you know why most people stay broke and how you can rise above it. Thanks for watching American Dollar Cents, where we turn money confusion into money confidence. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you're serious about financial freedom, and share this with a friend who needs a money wake-up call. Until next time, keep learning, keep saving, and keep building your dollar cents.